Hi everyone, welcome to Touch to Click. Today, in this video, we'll explain how to fix Google couldn't verify that this account belongs to you, and show you how to recover your Google account when verification fails. Step 1. Open a web browser and go to google.com/account/recovery. This is Google's official account recovery page where you start proving that the account belongs to you. Step 2. Enter the email address or phone number linked to your Google account. Then click Next. This helps Google locate the correct account and begin the verification process. Step 3. Type the last password you remember using for this account and click Next. Even an old or approximate password can help Google confirm your ownership. Step 4. Check your phone for a Google notification and tap Yes if you receive one. This step verifies your identity using a trusted device connected to your account. Step 5. When prompted, confirm or update your recovery email or phone number. These details are important because Google uses them to contact you about account access. Step 6. Once verification is successful, click Continue to Gmail to access your account. This confirms that your account has been recovered and secured again. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Touch to Click for more helpful Google account and PC troubleshooting tutorials.